In the ongoing debate about state creation in Nigeria, the call for Anioma State stands out as a critical measure to address historical injustice and systemic marginalization. This proposal has garnered significant support, especially in the southeast and south-south regions, where many see it as a step towards ensuring equitable representation and balanced regional development.
I will lead the technical committee with fairness, wisdom, inclusiveness, ensuring that every voice is heard.
This symbolic gathering took place at the palace of the Obuzo of Ibuza, Obi Professor Lois Chelono Nwoboshi, who is formally inaugurated as chairman of the technical committee for Anioma State creation. The event drew a diverse gathering of traditional rulers, stakeholders, and community representatives united in their quest for Anioma State. They echoed that achieving statehood would honor their historical pursuits and preserve the Anioma people's cultural heritage.
If Anioma State is created, we will now have an identity. We will have a bigger space.
The zeal of Anioma, of the creation of Anioma State, is in us, and we want to push further. And urge people to emulate from Professor Nwoboshi, and by the special grace of God, the happiness I'm getting today, we are making headway, and our generation will actualize it by the special grace of God.
Those people who are going about telling people that, oh, dead on arrival. If it's dead on arrival, then sit down and see, and let the result determines whether whether your arguments will materialize at the end of the day.
Of Ibuzo, as a man capable of steering the ship of the movement for the actualization of Anioma.
The naysayers who have been confusing people and saying all that they are saying, our people are the wiser for it now. How can you pretend that you are not Igbo? Your name is Ikechukwu. Your name is Ifeanyi. Your name is Emeka.
The convener, Senator Ned Nwoko of Delta North, represented by Chief Emma Ebo, said the proposal aims to correct imbalances, ensure fair representation, and promote equitable resource distribution.
The Senate President was able to tell them the much that they have done. And the President on his own, don't quote me anyway, but that is what happened. Mr. President came up to say, as far as he's concerned, he's interested in creating an Anioma State. When that was said, after the meeting, it was the same Senate President that called Ned and told him, look, you better go and start preparing for your third reading. Mr. President will soon be waiting for this Anioma something. And at the same time, Senator Dafinone called Ned to tell him that, look, this is your state when you move, Mr. President is ready to create it. So that is just the story now.
Traditional rulers across Delta North were recognized as committee members. The inauguration marks a decisive move in the legislative journey towards the creation of Anioma State, with stakeholders optimistic about the prospects of achieving equitable representation and balanced regional development. From Ibuza, I'm Chinyere Okoli, NTA News.
On the 12th of January 2026, traditional rulers from the 9 local governments in Anioma land, from Okwane, Oshimiri, Eka, and Anyocha, they came together to show full support for the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. That press conference was held in the palace of the Obuzo of Ibuzo. The Obuzo of Ibuzo was inaugurated as the chairman technical committee for the creation of Anioma State. Kings from Ibanke in Edo State came to that press conference. Kings from Okwane land, kings from Oshimiri and Anyocha land were present in that meeting. And they were all saying that they want Anioma State to be created. And that's because they know the importance of Anioma State to we Anioma people. One of them said, how can you be bearing Chukwuemeka, Ugochukwu, Ifeanyi, and you will be saying that you are not an Igbo person? Which people are bearing such name in this country? Is Igbo people. Our traditional rulers in Anioma land are in full support for Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast is to tell you that those politicians from Anioma land that are against the southeast zoning of Anioma State, it shows that those politicians are not representing us. As the traditional rulers for Anioma land thought say they want to make Anioma State join southeast, that is what our politicians are supposed to be saying. But because our politicians in Anioma land are boy, they are boys to that man from our. Now the reason why you see some of them they tell say they don't want to make Anioma State join southeast, as if we Anioma people are benefiting in this south. Someone that have sense will tell you that whether Anioma State is being zoned to the southeast or to the south, that what matters most is for we Anioma people to get Anioma State first. Why you go take because of zoning talk say you don't want Anioma State? Say the one zone Anioma State go southeast. Some of our Anioma people they talk say if they go zone Anioma State go southeast, I'm not in support of it. Meaning if na southeast they go, say me they not create them at all. How we can't show say such Anioma person when they talk like that get sense? The agitation for Anioma State is long overdue. It's 87 years now. For 87 years we have been agitating for Anioma State. So you want it because of say the one zone Anioma State go southeast. You no longer want Anioma State to be created. Anioma State must be in the south. Anioma State can never take the south slot. Other tribes in the south will never give we Anioma people that slot, because if they give we Anioma people that slot, then 2 states will be created for the southeast. And for that, 3 states have been given to Ndibo. Whether you like it or not, Anioma land is Igbo land and territory. If Anioma State is being created and zoned to the south, 2 states must be given to the southeast. This is why I'm saying that those Anioma people that don't want Anioma State to be created as zoned to the southeast, they know they see all these things where we they talk. So because if to see that they reason all these things where we they talk, they're not going to talk that thing where they talk again. Toribe State have taken that slot for the south. How you think say those people they agitate for Toribe State go allow we Anioma people to take that slot? The creation of state was meant for the southeast. Now southeast they won't create this state for. Whether we Anioma people like it or not, a state will never be created for the south. Then they thought say they want balance southeast, make southeast be 6 states like every other region for Nigeria. You from Anioma where no say no state will be created for the south. You dey talk say Anioma State must be created as zone to the south. Waiting they pursue you for southeast. So because of propaganda where you hear about southeast, you now believe the needs. Now propaganda where you hear can't they control your life. You don't want Anioma State to be actualized because of something where you hear. Make we can't give up on Anioma State because of phobia where you dey get. Anioma State will never be created as zone to the south. It's not possible. If you zone Anioma State to the south, 2 more states will be given to the southeast. And for that, Ndibo have been given 3 states. You think other tribes for this Nigeria go agree? They go say no. How can you create 3 states for Ndibo? Those set of Anioma people that say they don't want Anioma State to join the southeast, you people should see this thing from this angle. And know that Anioma State can never be zoned to the south. Now 1 state they want create for Nigeria. Our southeast brother don't give us that slot. Some of our Anioma people they tell say they don't want to join southeast. How on take the reason? We Anioma people, what are we benefiting in this south since we were zoned to the south? What is the cultural similarities between we Anioma people and other tribes in the south? Nothing. We Anioma people, we don't have the same culture with Urobo, Isoko, Ishekiri, Ijo, Kalabari, Calabar, Efik, Ibibio, Ejabam, and so on. We don't have the same culture with them. Anioma culture and the cultures of our brothers in the southeast are the same. What is our first culture? Our first culture with our southeast brothers is our language. Language is the first culture of a people. Because when you hear these people's language, you understand it. You hear these people's language, you understand it. You see, say, now the same thing that they talk. When this one talk, this one they hear. When this one talk, this one they hear. There be brothers. That is their first culture. Our southeast brothers use Ofo. We use Ofo in Anioma land. The same masquerades in their land are the same masquerades in Anioma land. They have Alose, we have Alose. They call the supreme being Chuku, we call the supreme being Chuku. They call land Ane, we call land Ane. They call human being Mado, we call human being Mado. Our language is the same. Their language is called Igbo language. Our language is called Igbo language. Why are some of our Anioma people saying that they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast? Northerners will be like, nah, so Igbo people they do, nah, so that they do. They can never actualize anything. If you like, give them 1 year to choose a state. They cannot choose any state because they lack unity. They lack one mind. They lack the ability to unite and achieve anything. Anioma own is the worst. Our Southeast brothers give us slots to actualize Anioma State, join them. Some of our brothers from Anioma, they say they don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. Now, why Northerners get all the oil wells where they occupy the land? Because the way our people for this Anioma land they reason is so bad and dangerous. All the crude oil where they occupy the land belong to Northerners. Mention one occupy man we get oil well. All those oil well where they see. Now Northerners get all those oil well. All those oil well where they occupy, where they occupy. Now Northerners get all of them. And if they see all this thing where some of our Okwane people they thought say, hey, we are not Igbo people, we don't want to join the Southeast. Northerners go lie, they go to say, now so let them keep denying their identity. The more they keep denying it, the more we keep exploiting them. The more they keep denying it, the more their eye will be closed. Their Southeast brother not go fit tell and say, these people are exploiting you because they hate their Southeast brothers. As some of our Okwane people hate our Southeast brothers, how their eye go take open no say, these cabals in the north are exploiting Okwane land. The last time we heard in the news that the Sultan of Sokoto have 25 oil wells in the south. You think say that oil well when they talk say Okwane oil wells not there? They there. One person get 25 oil wells. All these wealthy large where they see for the north. So many of them now them get all these oil wells where they for Okwane land. How come Okwane land get all these oil wells? And we Okwane people they suffer. Okwane land is backward. We not get federal university. We not get state university. We not get good roads. We not get infrastructure. We not get any federal or state hospital for Okwane land. We not get federal poly. We not get state poly. No infrastructure is in Okwane land. Okwane don't have light for the past 20 years. And an Okwane person is saying that he don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. The Southeast is the fastest developing region in Nigeria. If you be from Anioma and you thought you don't make Anioma State join Southeast, it means that you don't want the state to be created. Anioma State can never be zoned to the south. Now Okwane people they tell this thing pass because now we Okwane people they suffer pass for this Delta state. Now we suffer pass for Anioma land. You no get lights for your village. You dey fight against the Southeast zone of Anioma State. Knowing fully well that if we get Anioma State, say we Anioma people, we go come out from Delta State, get our own state. We go know say for that state, now only we Okwane people, Eka, Oshimiri, and Aniocha people, they there. More local governments will be created. In Okwane, we will have like 6 local government areas. Government will be closer to we Okwane people. We Okwane people, we go get light. We go get good road. We go start to get infrastructure. Development go enter Okwane land. Job opportunities will be created. Everything where states they get for this country, Okwane people go they get them. We Anioma people, we go start to receive allocation where federal government they give every state for this country. Check the benefit of a state to we Anioma people and tell me if you are still in support for Anioma State not to join the Southeast. Some of our Anioma people, they don't know all these things where we they talk. So now why you go see some of them, they come alive, they say we don't want to join the Southeast. Now ignorance, they cause all those things. Some of those Okwane people, they talk say they don't make Anioma State join Southeast. Some of them are those Okwane people where they work with Okowa. They know so Okowa don't make Anioma State join Southeast. And because of that, now where their organ stand, they go stand. You follow Okowa, they talk say they don't make Anioma State join Southeast. Okwane land good? No. Okwane Buanyeze, that is what so many Okwane people are saying. Does Okwane land look like Anyeze? No. If you go for where they call Anyeze, you gonna say, true, this place na Anyeze. We get so many crude oil wells and gas reserve for Okwane land. Are we benefiting from it? No. And we call ourselves Okwane Buanieze. Now we need Anioma State to make that Okwane Buanieze to become reality. Some of our Okwane people are still saying that they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Now why Fulani people take all the crude oil where they Okwane land? Because so many Okwane people are dangerous when it comes to reasoning. As I talk now, some of my Okwane people will tell me, "Pumano yamali fineku igoshikebo ke malene." Oh, now we know something why Okwane land dey backward, even with everything we una know. They claim to know so much, yet everything wey they know no fit give them light for the past 20 years. The biggest project that Okwane people want right now is Anioma State. And that's because Anioma State will give we Okwane people everything that we have been agitating for in Okwane land. Instead of our Okwane bloggers to be telling Okwane people to support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning, some of them are online saying, I actually like Anioma State join the Southeast. Ndebo, janalani anyaye, we janalani ocheche, we jememeni keni, we jememeni keli. I actually join the Southeast. Sasatane de kanema. They will be saying rubbish with boldness. You go see boy of 40 years, boy of 30 years. They talk rubbish for him page. Person where lights not dey him community for 20 years. Person will not get road to him community. Person where be say, now him region be the poorest region in Anioma land. He dey online, they talk rubbish. If you are from Okwane land and you are still against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State, it shows say you are one of the major problems that we have in Okwane land. If Anioma State is being zoned to the Southeast, we are still in Nigeria. If it's being zoned to the South, that is not possible. We are still in Nigeria. If you check for this Anioma land now, Oshimiri and Anyocha land, at least their region better pass our own for Okwane land. If you go Ikala, their region better pass our own. In the sense that so many things where they their land, not the Okwane land. Or why should we get polytechnic? Is there any polytechnic in Okwane land? No. How about get state university? Is there any state or federal university in Okwane land? No. How about they get lights? So many Ika communities, they get lights. Oshimiri and Anyocha communities, they get lights. Okwane people get lights? No. This is for Okwane people to see that we Okwane people, we want Anioma State. You don't want to join the Southeast. The Southeast and Nigeria, which one is more dangerous? You dey Nigeria where we say bandits and terrorists are killing people every day. People are hungry in this country called Nigeria. Nigeria is upside down. Federal government won't give you states. They can't say, join your brothers in the Southeast. You say no. Say you want day for South. Make you still day for Delta states. Make you there with Urobo, Isoko, Ishekiri, and the Ijaw people where you know they understand their language. Urobo people don't tell we Anioma people say, you people should go and get your Anioma states. Go and get your Anioma state. Join your Southeast brothers. You are one people with them. And leave Delta states for us. Yet, some Anioma people they thought say they don't want Anioma State. It will say they go zone Anioma State to the Southeast. That is the mindset of a failure. Mindset of a failure. Some Anioma people not like Senator Ned Nwoko. Now why they know they support Anioma State? That is the mindset of a failure. So many Anioma people don't like Tinubu. You go call the thought say because of say you not like Tinubu, say you not go support the Anioma State where Tinubu won't give us. Because of say you not like Senator Ned Nwoko can't talk say he won't give your community light. You call it to say, because I say you not like Senator Ned Nwoko, make he carry light, they go. Say when I don't want lights. As you not like Tinubu won't give you Anioma State. You can't talk say, we don't like Tinubu, the country is upside down. People are dying. Don't give us Anioma State. We don't want your Anioma State. Now that mindset, now those Anioma people who don't like Senator Ned Nwoko, they exhibit now. Just imagine a very bad mindset. Instead of Okwane people to be protesting, saying that they want Anioma State, whether in the Southeast or in the South. Look at how Oshimiri, Anyocha, and the Ika kings and elders are working hard to see that Anioma State is being created. Instead, some of our Anioma people dey for comment section for social media dey talk rubbish. Eh, we don't want Anioma State. Senator Ned Nwoko, leave us alone. We are not Igbo people. Leave us alone in the South. We did not tell you that we want a state. Senator Ned Nwoko is an expansionist. Stop forcing Anioma State on us. Stop forcing Igbo identity on us. That is the mindset of a failure. Failure. People will be failure, and so they be. Person will not know favor. Person will be say if you dey do good for am, he not know. Wetin we dey call such person for Okwane land na Anioma logo. Trap go hold dog. You go dey wan save the dog for trap. The dog go dey bite you. That is what we say. Anioma logo. Animal no know favor. Don't put yourself in that category. Anioma people. Those Anioma people that are saying that don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast. Remove yourself from that category, because if you dey talk say you want to make Anioma State dey for South, you are automatically calling yourself Anioma logo. Person won't come out you from South. Make you join your kind for the Southeast. Instead, you dey give ye reason. Not that I'm going to talk say Anioma people wey talk say they don't want make Anioma State join Southeast na Anioma logo. I go dey tell una that truth where go dey pain una. You see, that truth where dey pain una. I go dey tell una that truth. I'm from Okwane land, and I go dey here dey tell my Okwane people the factual truth where they no wan hear. Our politicians in Anioma land that are against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State, those people get low IQ. And as they thought they don't make Anioma State join Southeast, those Anioma people went to say they no still want to make Anioma State join Southeast. They not get IQ at all. You dey suffer. Politician wey get money talk say he no want to make you come out from bondage where you dey. State where we don dey agitate for 87 years now. Politician for Anioma land talk say no one make that state become a reality. You for Anioma wey be say you need development, you need good things. Instead of you to talk say we want Anioma State to be created as zone to the Southeast, you dey follow politician wey get money. You wey poor. You wey no fit afford 3 square meals a day. You wey be say morning till night you dey church, you dey shrine, dey go for you dey church, dey pray, dey talk say make federal government create work give una, or make dem give una light, or make dem give una good road, or make dem give una anything. You no know say na through this state creation you go take get that thing. Because of say Anioma State wan join Southeast, you talk say you no wan make Anioma State join Southeast. Say for that you no want Anioma State. That is the mindset of a failure. Una pastor need to dey teach una all these things for church. They tell us say everything not be Holy Ghost fire. Everything not be to dey go shrine, dey break unzu, dey drink unzu, dey go for the time. If you dey go for, if you dey pray, and you are not focused, you are not working to see that this work where you dey do now go bring all those things come. Just know say all those your prayer and they go for where they do, it will never take any effect. After making declarations with offer, you walk towards it. You walk towards that declaration. You walk towards your demands, and you will see that all those things that you declare to happen in your life will start manifesting. If you go church, they pray, Chukwu give my children work, Chukwu give my children this, give my children that. We need road, we need light. Na Anioma State go give you all those things. Na Anioma State go give your children job. But because you don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast, you thought say instead of us to join Southeast, make we not get Anioma State at all. That is the mindset of a failure. Some people just dey pray, but they be failure. Now them be the witches and wizards where they fight themselves. You dey pray morning till night. Solution don come. Support the creation of Anioma State. Make we actualize Anioma State. Make every good thing where they follow states follow we Anioma people. You thought say because of say Anioma State one join Southeast, say you don't want Anioma State. Who can be the devil where they trouble you now? You are the devil troubling yourself. Anioma people, wake up. Anioma State can never be created as zone to the South. It's not possible. It's never possible. There are so many state agitators in the South. Toribe State is leading. You want to make Ijaw people give up on Toribe State for you Anioma people to get Anioma State and zone into the South, so that 2 states will not be created and given to the Southeast. Make other states for Nigeria call it say 3 states was created for Ndi Igbo. Politics is not for only you to benefit. Politics is a game of interest. We thought say we want Anioma State. Other tribes in the South thought say make una get on Anioma State go join Southeast. That is their own interest. Make una get the Anioma State, but make una get am through Southeast. They don't give us that go ahead. Now we join people for South, they talk say they won't get to Toribe State. You were from Anioma, they talk say you don't want that Anioma State to join Southeast, say make Anioma State be created as zone to the south. Now, you want take your own reggae, spoil their blues. You don't want to make them get their Toribe state again. Make you get Anioma State there for south. Make Southeast get 2 states. That is not how they play politics. They will never allow such a thing to happen. Those Anioma people don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Make una get sense. Make una not allow Northerners. They call on Anioma logo. Because Northerners go to say, hey, they give them states. They see as they take they mumu themselves. That is why an Igbo man can never be president in Nigeria. Because of all these mindsets. If you like to say not be Igbo person, nobody from Ika can never be president in Nigeria. Whether you Ika people like it or not. If Oko Walai make you contest 20 times, you go contest 20 times, you go fail 5,000 times because he's an Igbo man. Make Monday Oyeme, the deputy governor of Delta State, contest for presidency. Say he won't be president for this Nigeria. He go contest 500 times, he go fail 2 billion times because he's an Igbo man, whether he likes it or not. So, we Anioma people, we are Igbo people. If you like, deny it from now till tomorrow. You are just deceiving yourselves. We Anioma people, we need development. Southeast na Nigeria, South na Nigeria. We are not benefiting anything in the South. Our Southeast brothers are in full support of Anioma State to join them in the Southeast. We Anioma people, let's make sure that we don't lose this chance. If we lose this chance, we will never get Anioma State in the South. It's 87 years now. We never get Anioma State. Don't be an obstacle for us not to get this Anioma State. No allow politicians who get money already to they tell you say they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. A word is enough for the wise. Our traditional rulers in Anioma land are in full support for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the Southeast. You Anioma people support Anioma State. Support Anioma State. A word is enough for the wise. Support Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Come out yourself from Anioma logo. Don't be an Anioma logo. Anioma logo na bad name. Ishiagwale.